primer, I'm going to take this one from the Balm. It's called Time Balm, and I'm basically just going to apply that in my T-zone, so the center of my face where I get oily. And then I'm going to take Smashbox's foundation, and I'm going to mix these Laura Geller illuminating drops, and I'm just going to apply it on my face and then blend it into my foundation. These work so good because the Laura Geller drops are so thin. I was so surprised. It just gives you like a luminous glow, and it blends really nicely into the foundation. I really liked these. I'm not sure of the name. I think it's called Gilded Honey or something like that, but everything will be listed in the description box below if you want to check that out. And then I'm just going to take a darker concealer. This one is from Smashbox, and I'm just going to warm up the perimeter of my face, and I'm going to blend it with the same foundation brush, which is from Real Techniques that I use for my foundation. And for concealer, I'm taking this one from Too Faced, and I'm just going to apply it where I normally apply my concealer. And I'll be blending it out with the Sigma 3D HD blender. To set that, I'm going to take the Dermablend Pro Illuminating Banana Powder, and I'm just basically going to set under my eyes. I'm not really going to bake. I'm just going to kind of put a little bit on and then press it into my skin. Then Sigma just came out with some new eyeshadow bases, new colors, and they are amazing. I'm going to take this color. I'm not sure what it's called, but you know it will be listed in the link below if you want to check that out. But it is so pretty. It's like a dark, I don't even know, taupe brown color. It's just so pretty, and they're super creamy, and they blend out amazing. I kind of just wanted to leave it like that. And then I'm going to take ColourPop's, what palette is this? Double something. I'm going to take this lighter matte shade, and my daughter washed my brushes, so most of my brushes look kind of weird like this, weird shaped. So I'm going to take that color and just put it into my crease and blend it out just to kind of give it a little bit of a nice transition shade to the main color that I'm going to put on my lid, which is this kind of matte rusted color. I'm just going to apply that all. I'm first going to pack it on and then just blend it out. This is the only color that I'm really using on my lid. And then on my lower lash line, I'm also using that same rust color, and I'm just going to blend it as close to my lash line as possible. And then I'm going to take the lightest matte color and apply that just to the inner corner, just to brighten it up a little bit because my eyes tend to be really dark right there. And I'm going to take a Makeup Forever brown eyeliner pencil and apply that to the waterline. And then I'm taking Milk Makeup's Kush mascara, the waterproof one. And then to warm up my face a little bit more, I'm going to take this Senna Cosmetics bronzer and my Benefit bronzer brush. This came in BoxyCharm, and again, that link will be in the description box, of course. This came in last month's BoxyCharm, and I'm finally using it, and it was really, really pretty. I really liked it. So I'm just going to warm up my face with that. And then I forgot to show it, but I'm taking Benefit's Hoola bronzer and just contouring my nose a little bit, and this is a Dose of Colors brush. For blush, I'm taking Motives. I believe it's called Cumin. It's one of my favorite blushes from them. It's a really, it's a matte peachy, like a darker peachy color. It's really pretty. And then just to kind of blend everything out on my face a little bit more, I'm going to take a MAC Cosmetics Compact, a mineralized skin finish, and I'm just going to kind of go over everything so everything just blends a little bit nicely. And the highlighter that I'm using is from ColourPop, and I'm just going to use my sponge to apply that. And I was really shocked and of how pigmented they were. I believe they're called Super Shock too. Highlighters. It's really pigmented. And then for lips, I used Dose of Colors Cork lipsticks, which is one of my favorites.